educator with SPRE, which stands for South Platte River Environmental Education. We host field trips, day camps, and events for kids around the Denver area. Today, we're going to do a nature craft that you can do in your neighborhood, a local park, or even right here in your own backyard. Our activity today is called a nature mandala. Mandalas are found in many Eastern traditions. In their most basic form, mandalas are circles arranged into sections that are all organized around a single central point. The patterns in many mandalas are similar to those that are found in nature. Think of the rings on a tree, the petals of a flower, or the scales of a pine cone. In this activity, we're going to be making our own mandalas out of found items in nature. Anytime we do an activity, we want to protect our plant friends and our animal habitats. Remember to take only natural items that are dead, brown, or on the ground. Our first step is to collect our materials. We want to find as many different kinds of materials as possible to bring diversity to our mandala. Look around your house or your neighborhood to find things like sticks, feathers, rocks, shells, and pine cones. Once you have all your materials gathered, find a good flat spot to build your mandala. Start by making a big circle just like this. Once you have your big circle, you can use your other materials to build patterns inside your mandala. Play around with concentric circles or radial designs coming outward from the center. The best part about mandalas is you can make it your own. Mandala? When you're done creating your own beautiful mandala, make sure to snap a picture and upload it to Facebook or Instagram and tag #LearningsPRE. And once you're done with your creation, practice good stewardship by taking your natural materials and bringing them back to where you found them. Today for nature mandalas. Make sure to check out our Just for Kids website at the Greenway Foundation for more fun activities that you can do in your local park. Keep an eye out for more crafts, and we'll see you next time on SPRE TV.